Hello and welcome back. In this lecture, we will know what is web hosting and why we use web hosting. Web hosting is an account on a computer server that can store and serve website files via the internet. Web hosting is responsible to store all your website files, images, code, and stuff like that. So, suppose if you have a HTML website and want to upload it live on server, then you need a platform where all your CSS HTML files were stored so that you can access your website live on server. So web hosting provides you that platform where you can store and serve website files. So web hosting is a place where you can store all your files. Domain registration is leaving a human readable word, for example Amazon.com, that directs people to specific website via browser. As an analogy, a domain is an address on the internet and hosting is a land or space where website files live. Domain is an address where users come and see your website, which is live on server. Suppose your house is hosting platform and your furniture is like data files. Your furniture is in your home or your house. To simplify, a domain name is like the address of your home. Web hosting, on the other hand, is the space of your house where you place your furniture. Instead of street name and area code, set of words or numbers are used for website naming. Computer hard disk and computer memory are used instead of wood and steel for storing and processing data files. So web hosting is a place where all your website files were stored, and domain is the address of your website so that user can come and see your website. That's it for this video. See you in the next one where we will create an account on netlify and upload our website.